Taylor Bay is an American professional basketball player for the Magnolia Hotshots of the Philippine Basketball Association. Bay was born and brought up in Las Vegas and started playing competitive basketball in 8th grade. He played for Las Vegas High School in Sunrise Manor, Nevada, where he averaged 17 points, 7.3 rebounds, and 1.2 assists per game as a junior. On September 10, 2016, he committed to play college basketball for Colorado. Bay was considered a 4-star recruit by 247 Sports and Rivals and a 3-star recruit by ESPN. On August 10, 2023, Bay signed with the Magnolia Hotshots of the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA) as the team's import for the 2023-24 PBH Commissioner's Cup. On July 31, 2022, Bay signed with Irony Nez Giona of the Israeli Basketball Premier League. On August 25, 2021, Bay signed with the Houston Rockets 15 but was waived on September 17. 9 days later, he signed a two-way contract with Houston. Under the terms of the deal, he split time between the Rockets and their NBA G League affiliate, the Rio Grande Valley Vipers. He was waived near the end of training camp. Bay joined the Philadelphia 76ers for the 2022 NBA Summer League. Bay was selected 36th overall in the 2020 NBA draft by the Philadelphia 76ers. Shortly after, he was traded to the Dallas Mavericks alongside Josh Richardson in exchange for Seth Curry. He was signed on November 30, 2020. His deal was converted to a two-way contract for the season, meaning he would split time with the Mavericks NBA G League affiliate, the Texas Legends. On February 2, 2021, it was announced Bay would have his first assignment at the NBA G League, going to the Long Island Nets as the Legends opted out of the G League restart. As a freshman, Bay averaged 6.1 points and 5.1 rebounds per game, starting 21 of 32 games. After the season, he worked to add a mid-range jumper to his game. After being benched in a game against Oregon State on January 31, 2019, Bay had 11 double-doubles over the final 16 games. He had a career-high 27 points to go with 10 rebounds in a 73-51 win over Oregon on February 3. On February 13, Bay had 22 points and a career-high 17 rebounds as Colorado defeated Arizona State 77-73. In the final week of the regular season, Bay was named Pac-12 Player of the Week. Bay led the team with 13.6 points and 9.9 rebounds per game as a sophomore. He was named to the first team All-Pac-12 and became the second Colorado player in 4 years to win the league's Most Improved Player award. Bay scored 16 points and had a career-high 6 steals in a 69-53